This video will show you how you can provide feedback to us directly here at Fixflo. If you have any suggestions for our product or can think of any improvements which can be made, then you can provide feedback to us directly through the app. Simply log into the app and then click on More on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Select Suggest an Improvement. You will then be taken to a screen where you can choose the option Improvement, New Feature or Other, and then type your suggestion into the box and press Send. Once sent, you will see this thank you message pop up. You can also provide feedback on a link which can be found on the emails you receive from Fixflo. Here is an email example, and by scrolling down, there is a Tell us what you think link. This takes you through to a new window where you can give your feedback. There is an option to provide your email address to us, and if this is provided, we can get back to you. Otherwise, this will remain anonymous. We will read through all feedback sent, so this is really valuable to us. We do appreciate everyone who takes the time to provide feedback. Please note that someone from our team will always respond to all feedback, as long as we have your email address to do so. Thank you for watching.